The year 1775, the place England where the American Revolutionary War is in full swings. 1 year later, John Wilkinson had the right idea to invent anything about the air compressor that will go down in history. What's going on with this place? I want to know, how do I start inventing the air compressor? The next morning, during the disaster, Wilkinson had the rightest idea.
You can lead a horse to water, and you both know it's kind of lame, but she uses it as a keychain anyway.
I've got a million ideas! Let's see. How about this one? Hooray!
It's true. While Kiddington helps Wilkinson build an air compressor for him, so that's why it was just for the beginning of air compressor. There was a dusty all the place like clouds all over the place.
The poor people used something else. They called it the hand.
Yuccosis! Hey, Mr. Tesla! What's this button do?
Don't blow up my house! You're gonna get us dirty all over the place!
We're finished, Coach!
Really?
Yup, the job is done! What you asked for? That's your great mall! Hit it! Oh, totally different.
Okay, kid, you're riding the horse backwards, but I did it! I have invented the air compressor! Today is my greatest day of my life!
Lydia Karaoke, Network Censor. I've taken it upon myself to redesign the ship and eliminate the aforementioned offensive deck. Now, back to the sketch. Whew, I'm pooped. Oops.
It's all thanks to you, kids. I couldn't have done it without you. Air compressor will get the dirt out of this thing and make it beautiful.